school again, school. One. What that only for dopey that? Palman, we are doing 5 people in place. No, you may look for. You a thief?
No, I just caught a married man with a goat. I don't know what he was doing, but when he saw me, him run. What you want? What you want, youngster?
Nah, go tell nobody, you know. But me know a thief, yeah, thiefy people in banana.
No, youngster, I don't steal on Mondays. I only steal on Tuesdays. That's tomorrow thing. Now tell me what you want.
Let me sit down and tell you a story first. Upon a time, a teacher love to give homework, but me no know if he do it.
Okay, alright. Tell me the rest of the story.
I forget help, but he help a thief. Banana.
I don't do that. You're not talking to me.
Me not go tell no, but if you no help me, me go tell everybody you're a thief.
These little kids, they're gonna ruin my reputation. Look at this. Me, no say and me you are talking. Anyways, what you want? What you want help with? I'll help you.
They look guilty.
You see your favor lion? Me not trust picnic.
With me.
You little boy, you think me are your size, right? You think me are your size, right?
We get a homework, but me no know if do it, okay? Furthermore, me no want to do it, none at all.
Oh, so basically you little face the boy need help. What's your name, by the way?
They call me Mr. Boombastic, semi-fantastic. They call me brother, what they call you? Thiefing spider. I saw.
A little pissy boy, a bright and pasty.
Anyways, no, me no need help from no man.
No, on a serious note, I'm here to help you. What you need?
First, capture teacher, give her one heap of sweetie, make she get bigger and fat. That way, the teacher get lazy and no give me no more homework again.
Ah, you can just learn to do it and then it's easy for you.
Or you just can't do your job.
What if I buy you a new phone for your birthday? Would you then do the homework?
Oh, they say you fool, you smarty. Alright, me I go do more homework later.
Alright, later, young. Oh, then say we can't save life.
I'm not taking no more banana here, spider.